Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Emmanuel. This is the Grind Skincare. Today I'll be taking you on how you can use brake oil to get rid of eczema on your face. So you're going to be doing this every day early in the morning after taking your bath. You look for a cotton wool just like this. Then you remove small out of it and put your brake oil and put it on your face like this after taking your bath. You do this for 3 days and it only work for eczema and dark spots, not pimples. So I'm going to use this one only for eczema. I'm going to do this for 3 days straight. So I'm going to leave your face like this. Then I advise you, after doing this, after leaving it for 1 hour, you can wash your face, but avoid touching your face every time. So thank you guys for watching.